Ken Fain, Island Carpet Tile and Hardwoods. People are getting interested in gluing down luxury vinyl plank instead of clicking it together and floating it, even in a home. Why? Well, you may not want to pull and replace baseboards. You may not be able to pull and replace baseboards. You may not like the look of shoe molding in front of baseboards. So, as I said, we're doing a lot of glue down luxury vinyl plank. One thing to remember though, when it comes to a glue down floor, and I can't emphasize this enough, do not use a lot of water and harsh chemicals to clean your floor. Even if the surface of the floor will take it, problem is that the moisture will eventually seep into the cracks between the planks or the tiles. And eventually when that moisture gets in and gets underneath, it will erode the adhesiveness of the glue. We're big fans of Swiffer, minimal moisture involved with that process. Don't use a lot of moisture, don't use a lot of chemicals when we're gluing down your floor in order to avoid having problems in the future. Bit of advice, Ken Fain, Island Carpet, Tile and Hardwoods.